right, dudes.
You dropped your phone down forever. And then out there.
Oh my god, my. Hi, love. We're on the ski lift for the first time.
Okay. There you go. How do you feel?
Bored.
Yeah. Oh, yeah! Ooh.
Third from. Hi. Yum.
What's that? Italian beans for fun? Way better than all of these others. That's what I was saying. I think this is gonna be our last ski of the day.
I agree.
I think it's gonna be fun though.
We'll tumble it down, love.
We're gonna tumble all the way down.
Go. Now I'm gonna go to my real route.
Cause then you come in Monday and night, got me laughing.
Come by.
The fried rice is good.
I don't know how to.
Oh, this video.
Very good rice. So what you do, pan of rice like this in a bottle and wait 1 year. Of course, you have to do that processes.
That's a lot.
Why?
I think it's safe to say. Not really sure how we do this.
Second theory is that a monkey dropped his apple into the onsen, and when he went,
We love, don't lose the key. We're going to see the monkey. I already have one. Jigokudani monkey. apple pie.
Get that next bite. That next bite looks appley.
It's near.
Wait.
What do you mean?
I think it wants me to shake it,
Okay.
which honestly makes me kind of scared because, you know, you're shaking a beer.
Maybe it's not beer.
Maybe we're not actually supposed to shake it. Something is like, what if it's like telling us like don't,
Maybe like wait after it's been shaken.
like there's like actually some very clear instructions. It looks like shake it to me. I'm gonna open this here.
Yeah.
All over. This sprays all over the fucking glass. Alright, here we go.
Nah, it wouldn't be.
Oh, it is not. It is not. It might be like a White Claw.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's not like beer.
I hope it's not. Plum.
Yes. Can you please explain?
This is plum sake from the Nagano region. It's something that we learned is that apparently sake is just the word for liquor, and the word for what is, you know,
Rice wine, what is it?
I do not know.
Nihonshu.
Oh, that's true. It's like Japan.
Alcohol.
Yeah. Anyway, the two things you gotta know about this is that there's an alcohol percentage, but then there's also a percentage of how polished the rice is. Or from what I understand, I think that's like how much rice is in there. Go talk to someone else if you
Doubts.
want to have any doubts.
You wouldn't see it here because this is plum. So only maybe the alcohol content.
Yeah, so I think 12% alcohol, and we do not see a rice content.
Oh, that's enough for me. Ting, one more.
I think I'm a little old. It's huge. How do I,
Swish for 5 seconds.
well, I'm gonna switch it maybe a little bit until it turns.
Day 2.
Oh man, the kid just went so fast.
Solo gaming for today. No, you're good. You do what you gotta do. Okay. Be safe.
Oh, we're trying to get more. I'm trying to get more comfortable with the speed, so that I'm not going to just.
Yummy.
That's why we did that thing that we did.
Can't hear it. No, don't open it. What if that's the latch that holds this thing together?
Put these things up to your head. I'm going to take a picture of you.